Case study: AI-driven transformation in cybersecurity, a case study of incident response at TechSecure Inc. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing incident response within cybersecurity, transforming how organizations detect, analyze, and mitigate cyber threats. In a cybersecurity operations center, John, a seasoned cybersecurity analyst, and his team are grappling with a surge in cyber threats. Their organization, TechSecure Inc., has recently integrated AI-driven systems to bolster their incident response capabilities, harnessing the power of various AI models. One morning, John receives an alert from their AI-based phishing detection system. The system, which utilizes supervised learning, has flagged a series of suspicious emails targeting the company's executives. The model had been trained on a large data set of known phishing and non-phishing emails, and its high accuracy rates had been well documented. As John reviews the flagged emails, he recalls the first question that often plagues analysts: how can we ensure the AI model remains effective against new phishing techniques that might not be in the training data? To address this, John's team regularly updates the training dataset with new examples of phishing emails. This proactive approach ensures the model evolves alongside emerging phishing strategies. They also leverage unsupervised learning to enhance their defenses. An unsupervised learning model, such as a k-means clustering algorithm, groups similar incidents together, helping the team identify patterns in the phishing attempts. By examining these clusters, John and his team can uncover common characteristics and adapt their defenses accordingly. While the supervised model efficiently detects known threats, the unsupervised model excels at identifying anomalies. One day, the anomaly detection system alerts the team to unusual network traffic patterns. The system, which operates without prior labels, has detected a spike in outbound data transfers from a segment of the network that typically exhibits low activity. This anomaly suggests a potential data exfiltration attempt. John ponders: can unsupervised learning alone provide sufficient context to understand and respond to this threat? The team quickly realizes the need to combine multiple AI paradigms for a comprehensive response. They deploy a reinforcement learning model to dynamically adjust firewall rules and mitigate the threat. Reinforcement learning, through trial and error, learns optimal strategies by interacting with the environment and receiving feedback. The model adjusts the firewall settings based on previous actions' effectiveness, creating an adaptive defense mechanism. John's team now wonders: how can we balance the autonomy of AI systems with the need for human oversight in incident response? To strike this balance, TechSecure Inc. implements a hybrid approach, integrating supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning models. This hybrid model enhances their incident response framework, leveraging the strengths of each paradigm. The supervised model detects known threats, while the unsupervised model identifies new and emerging threats. The reinforcement learning model optimizes response strategies, creating a robust and adaptive system. However, the team must continuously evaluate the quality and quantity of data feeding these models. Can AI models remain effective if not regularly updated and retrained? TechSecure Inc. addresses this challenge by establishing a rigorous data management protocol. They ensure high-quality labeled data for supervised models and continuously update the datasets to reflect the latest threat landscape. For unsupervised models, they curate diverse datasets to capture a wide range of normal and anomalous behaviors. Additionally, they retrain their reinforcement models periodically, incorporating new feedback to refine their decision-making processes. Yet, another challenge looms: how can the team ensure the interpretability of these AI models, especially deep learning models that often operate as black boxes? To enhance interpretability, TechSecure Inc. employs explainable AI techniques. These techniques provide insights into how AI models arrive at their decisions, making the process transparent for human analysts. By understanding the model's reasoning, John and his team can trust and effectively deploy AI-driven solutions. They also conduct regular audits of the models, ensuring they align with the organization's cybersecurity policies and ethical guidelines. The team now feels more confident, but they remain vigilant. How can AI help in real-time detection and response, given the rapid pace of cyber threats? AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data at incredible speeds proves invaluable in real-time detection and response. During the infamous WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017, AI-driven systems were pivotal in identifying and mitigating the threat quickly. These systems analyzed the ransomware's behavior, detected its presence on infected systems, and automatically deployed countermeasures to contain the attack. Inspired by this success, TechSecure Inc. utilizes similar AI-driven systems to monitor their network continuously. They also employ AI to identify subtle indicators of advanced persistent threats, such as unusual network traffic patterns and endpoint behaviors. How can AI-driven insights inform strategic decisions in cybersecurity? By providing deeper insights into the nature and origins of cyber threats, AI enables analysts to make more informed strategic decisions. AI models identify patterns and correlations that may not be immediately apparent to human analysts, offering a holistic view of the threat landscape. This allows John and his team to prioritize resources effectively, focusing on the most critical threats. Moreover, by automating routine tasks, AI frees up human analysts to concentrate on complex and strategic issues, enhancing overall efficiency and effectiveness. As the team at TechSecure Inc. continues to refine their AI-driven incident response framework, they encounter a final question. How can organizations stay ahead of adversaries in an ever-evolving cyber threat landscape? The answer lies in continuous learning and adaptation. By integrating AI into their incident response processes, staying abreast of the latest advancements, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can maintain a proactive stance against cyber threats. In conclusion, the case of TechSecure Inc. illustrates the transformative potential of AI in incident response. By leveraging supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, and hybrid models, the organization can detect, analyze, and mitigate cyber threats effectively. While challenges such as data quality, model interpretability, and the need for continuous updates persist, the benefits of AI-driven incident response are clear. Organizations that embrace AI and invest in continuous learning and improvement will be better equipped to protect their digital assets and stay a step ahead of cyber adversaries.